morning, students. So this is your tier 3 and unit C, and the topic is adjectives 1. We'll be starting these topics. And adjectives, let us first understand what are adjectives. You have already studied in your previous classes what are adjectives. So let us just revise that adjectives are the describing words, and they modify a noun or a pronoun. So what are adjectives? They are the describing words. They tell about the quality of a noun or a pronoun, right? And they are used before a noun or a pronoun to describe its quality, right? Now, in your chapter, you have got adjectives, the degrees of adjectives. So let us understand what are degrees of adjectives. Now, by degree, by the word degrees, we understand comparison, right? So let us just see what are the different degrees of adjectives. Now, first one is positive degree. Positive degree of adjectives. So, adjectives in its simplest form. In the simplest form, when adjective is used, that is called the positive degree. Some quality is described, right? It is the first form of adjectives, and when adjective is used in the simplest form, that is called the positive degree, right? Then the second, coming to the second, it is the comparative degree. When a comparison between two is done, right? So, comparative degree, it denotes higher degree of quality where two things are compared, right? So, it's a comparative degree that's in the middle. It compares between two objects, right? Then third, we have got the superlative degree. Now, what is the superlative degree? It is the highest degree of quality. It is the highest degree of quality, and there is comparison between many. Many are compared, right? So that is called the superlative degrees. Now we are going to understand the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree with few examples. That will clarify your concepts. Now let us see few examples of degrees of comparison. And 3 degrees I had explained. Positive degree, that's the simplest form of adjective is there. Comparative, when there is comparison between two, and superlative, when comparison it is between more than two objects, right? So in the positive degree, few examples I explained, like good, the comparative degree of it will be better, and superlative, best, right? Then we are taking another example, rare. Its comparative degree is rarer, and superlative is rarest, right? Then third example is much. Comparative is more, and superlative is most. Then bad. The word bad, comparative degree is worse, and superlative is worst. Then another example is expensive. More expensive, most expensive. Then we have got little, less and least. Another example, large, larger, largest. Then another example, low, lower and lowest. There are many other examples, but few I have taken just to tell you the difference between positive, comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. So I hope you have understood the concept of what are adjectives. They are words, they are describing words used before a noun or a pronoun, and the degrees of comparison is mentioned after that, and 3 degrees I have told you: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive is pure form of description in the simplest form. Comparative degree is a comparison between two. Superlative, comparison between many, right? And few examples we have discussed. So I hope the concept of adjectives and degrees of comparison is clear to you all. Thank you.